Hello, today I'm sharing a fun little project using colouring pages. So these were 3 simple colouring pages, 2 that I printed off the internet and 1 from a colouring book. And the theme for the ATC swap was amphibians, so now I have some mini amphibian artworks using colouring pages. The first one is the Great Crested Newt, and I've put a quote on there that says, "Newt to self, stay great." Coloured this with pencils. This one was printed off the internet. The Common Frog, again, was printed off the internet, coloured with pencils, and I've added some washi tape, which I think was from the range. I think you've got about 6 different patterns. And finally, the axolotl, which I think is so cute. It's got the little adorable smile and these frilly bits around its gills. I've coloured that with alcohol markers and then added white and silver bubbles with my white and silver gel pen. I've also tried to go over the black ones with the white. That hasn't worked too well, but I might try and correct that. In fact, I managed to make 3 of these from the book that I purchased from B&M. So this is the book. It's Adorable Axolotls. It's a colouring and activity book. I've used 1 page to make these 3 ATCs. Colouring books with smaller images and repeat backgrounds are actually great for ATCs or journal pages. I'd love to hear which ATC was your favourite, or if you've made your own from colouring books. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe for more crafty ideas. Until next time, cheerio!